In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a bunch of effects from a bunch of clips in Adobe Premiere. Hi and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. Alright, have you ever been editing in Premiere and you realize that you applied an effect to a bunch of clips and now you kind of hate that effect? Now you have to go back and remove it from a dozen clips. Well, instead of deleting each effect one clip at a time, Premiere has a really useful feature called Remove Attributes. And honestly, it's one of those hidden tools that can save you a ton of time. So let's do it. I'm working in Premiere version 26.2.2, so if yours is older or newer, it might look slightly different. Alright, so here I have a sequence with multiple clips on my timeline, and this is the effect that I now dislike and I want gone. Rather than clicking on every single clip, going to the Effect Controls tab, and deleting it, you can simply highlight all of the clips that have that effect by clicking and dragging over the clips, and then right-clicking or control-click on a Mac to bring up the menu. Select Remove Attributes, and a new window will pop up with a list of all the attributes that you can remove from your selected clips. Select the one you want gone, and your wish is granted. Premiere instantly removes that effect from every selected clip. By the same token, you did know that you can add an effect to multiple clips at a time by selecting them, holding down Shift, and dragging that effect to the clips all at once. You did know that, right? Alright, raise your hand in the comments if you learned something today. And as always, if you found any of this to be helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted. And I will catch you next time.